Good day. My name is Jairo Saracino from Koreatech employee from employee of Koreatech Philippines Inc. from Mapua University. Today, I will discuss my status report from day 5 to day 9. And I am a designer of the theme. So first is uh, we, we are given task to create a logo for CPI, and this is my work. This is my work for logo for Createch Philippines CPI or CPI, and we are given we are given uh, to create also a staff care login, which is this is my design on day 5. On day 6, we proceed on day 6. We are given task to create a front page for payroll calculator. So here's my design. In payroll in this section, you can see the name of the employee, and you can check our monthly, daily, number of days work, expected pay, and deduction. We are also given task to create a COVID aware on day 6, which is this is my design. Now we proceed on day 7, which is we are given the task to create a front create chat for CPI, and here's this is my design. Here you can see the logo of the CPI here, and this is my design for the chat box for the create chat. We proceed on day 8, which is we are given to create the front page of this one. Here we are given the task for the CPI login screen. Here's my given design, and we proceed on the sign up, which is this is my design for signing up. If you don't have account, and the last one is the home screen of the CPI. That's my status for day 5 to day 9. Thank you for watching, and keep safe, everyone. Thank you.